Meet Oliver, an extraordinary cat with a very important job every morning. He's ready to serve up smiles and delicious food. With his tiny uniform and determined gaze, Oliver prepares for another busy day. He's focused and ready for action. First things first. Punching in. Oliver's small paw expertly clocks him in, signaling the start of his shift. He trots excitedly towards the counter, his fluffy tail wagging. The restaurant is clean and bright, awaiting its first customers. The morning rush begins, and Oliver is at the heart of it all. He's a master of multitasking, even with tiny paws. First up, the drive-thru. Oliver dons his headset, tilting his head to catch every word from the customers. He handles complex orders with ease, his green eyes focused. No order is too big or too complicated for this dedicated cat. Next, the kitchen. Oliver carefully assembles a burger, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly placed. He struggles slightly with the lettuce, but his determination shines through. Neatness is key, even for a cat. A momentary distraction. The robotic fry machine catches his eye, its moving parts mesmerizing him. His feline curiosity takes over for a second, but duty calls. He quickly snaps back to the task at hand. Back at the counter, a satisfied customer receives their meal. Oliver delivers with a cheerful meow. His meow translates to "enjoy your meal," a perfect touch to his excellent customer service. The rush continues, a whirlwind of orders and happy customers. Oliver keeps the line moving efficiently. He's a blur of orange fur and dedication, ensuring everyone gets their food quickly and correctly. As the peak hours subside, Oliver takes a moment. He's a bit tired, but his spirit remains high. Finally, a well-deserved break. Oliver enjoys a tiny cup of milk in the staff break. He looks exhausted but happy, reflecting on a morning of hard work and satisfied customers. Back on duty, a special customer approaches the counter. A child, eyes wide with wonder. Oliver, ever the entertainer, performs a small trick, delighting his young admirer. A heartwarming high five seals the moment, creating a memory for both Oliver and the child. Spreading joy is part of the job, and Oliver excels at it. His charm brightens everyone's day. Even cleaning is an adventure for Oliver. He meticulously wipes down a table, ensuring everything is spotless. Suddenly, a rogue crumb. His hunter's instincts kick in, turning a chore into a playful chase. The chase is on. He pounces and bats at the crumb, a comedic interlude in his busy day. Mission accomplished. The crumb is caught, and Oliver looks satisfied with his small victory. With his playful moment over, Oliver returns to his duties, ensuring the restaurant remains sparkling clean. The afternoon passes, filled with more orders, more smiles, and the steady rhythm of a fast food workday. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow, Oliver's shift draws to a close. He carefully hangs up his apron and visor, a symbol of a hard day's work completed. Walking out, he glances back at the golden arches, a proud smile on his face. After a long, busy day, there's nothing better than home. Oliver is finally off duty, dreaming of burgers and happy customers. He rests, ready for another day of perfect service.